I have seen a lot of TikTok users ask, how do I get that robotic female voice added to my audio? Well, it's the text-to-speech feature that does it. This is a relatively new feature and it might not be rolled out where you are, but I am seeing it in US and Canada. I have a feeling it's taking a while because they need to get this feature up to speed for all languages. I am seeing it for English-speaking countries. Yeah, I'm in Mexico, Spanish-speaking, I don't have it. But I found a way to show you this feature. It's pretty cool. In the TikTok app, I'm gonna go ahead and make a TikTok. So in this case, I'm tapping upload, choosing a video from my camera roll. This one looks perfect. I'm gonna tap next. And then I'm actually going to first hit sound, then volume, and turn down my original sound because it's just not really needed for this TikTok. Then I'm gonna tap text. I'm gonna write some clever text or anything that adds to or enhances this clip. So in this case, I'm gonna write, does this look right to you? And then I'm going to get this sign that says double tap to edit. This is where you're going to find text to speech. So tap text to speech. And now look what happens.
Does this look right to you?
And voila, that's how you use the text-to-speech feature in TikTok, which I'm seeing really grow in popularity. So if it's a feature that you have, I highly recommend to try it out. For even more trainings like today's video and 300 done-for-you video ideas so that you can grow your business on TikTok or Reels if you prefer, head to videosvault.co. This is my two-part program that gives you 300 video ideas for your coaching, services, or product-based business, and it gives you all the how-to demos and tutorials of how to make TikTok videos and Reels. It is a jam-packed program and it's helping business owners get up to speed very quickly when it comes to short-form video marketing. So head to videosvault.co to grab yours today, and I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease in revenue, I'll see you in the next video.